Day 64, egg layer hatchlings. Start of week 10. They're doing awesome. Some of them got feathers growing on their feet. Getting real big. I'm moving them every day, day and a half. Whenever it looks like it needs to be moved. Beautiful creatures, getting real big. I ended up tearing off the ramp when I was moving it, so I put it up there as a catwalk, or it's a platform for them to walk on. They seem to like it. Here's the 10 middle ones. They're doing real good too. The 2 that were injured are healing very well. Running around loving life. Doing what chickens do. Here's Big Bertha with her clan. They're doing real good. It's raining a little bit today, so they're not too active. But so far, it's an awesome start to week 10. Day 65, egg layer hatchlings. They're all up here this morning for some reason. They're all doing real good. These 10 are doing really well as well. Growing up big and strong. Loving life. Doing their chicken thing. Big Bertha's clan is doing well. Running around. Scratching up the ground. Always putting dirt in your water, Bertha. What's up with that? I'll get that taken care of. Day 66, egg layer hatchlings. The oldest of the bee flock. They like that catwalk I put up there for them. They spend a lot of time up there now. They're doing real good. Getting real big. Eating bunches and bunches of food. These 10 doing real good. Getting bigger and bigger every day. The injured ones are healing up nice. Moving right along. Big Bertha with her clan. Showing them the ropes. They're getting pretty big for little baby chickies. They're really pretty. And prettier every day, these chicks are. Alright, Bertha, I'll leave you alone. Continue to be a good mama. Day 67, egg layer hatchlings. They're doing real good. I'm continuing to move them a little bit every day. Give them some fresh ground to walk around on. Some new grass and bugs to munch on. Running around loving life. Here's the 10 middle chicks. They're doing real good too. 3 injured ones are healing up real good. That's the one with the hurt foot. She's getting around real good too. She's still not standing as tall as the rest of them, but she seems to be flying around. So maybe she's like, oh, I can't walk around, so I'm gonna fly around. I'm a bird. No, Mom, but you can't eat them. Cats. They want to eat the birds all the time. But they're running around, loving life, doing real good. Eating plenty of food. They mainly stay up here. And Big Bertha and her clan stay down here. These little cutie pies running around, loving life. They're doing awesome. Day 68, egg layer hatchlings. They're doing real good. Getting around. Get all over in here. Running around, loving life. Getting real big. Here's a middle group. They're doing really well. They're getting big. The injured ones are healing up nice. Running around, loving life. Oh. Hi, guys. What are you doing up here, Bertha? Keep telling your babies that there's food up here, but they don't ever come up here, huh? Alright, let's check out your babies. Here's Bertha's clan. They're doing really, really well. What's up, Bertha? Heard me talking down here, then you had to come on down here and find out what's going on, huh? She's a good mama. These guys are getting real big, running around, loving life. So what do you think, Bertha? You about ready to get out of here? Day 69, egg layer hatchlings. They're getting real big. Continuing to move them a little bit every day so that they have a little bit of fresh grass to chomp on. They're doing really, really good. Pretty soon I'll be moving the cockerels out of here and just be leaving the hens. These 10 are doing really, really well. The two with the hurt heads are healing up pretty good. I don't think they'll ever have feathers or anything on there. They'll probably be old chickens. Which is sad, because these birds are so pretty. And here's Big Bertha's clan. They're doing great too. They're running around loving life. She's probably about done with them. Well, maybe not. She's just telling them all to come up there, and they're going now. Huh. They're doing real good. They're getting real big. Pretty soon they won't need their chicken mama no more. Day 70, egg layer hatchlings. They're doing extremely well. They're getting real big. They're doing real well. Eating plenty of food. Continuing to move them half the distance of their enclosure so that they have fresh grass to munch on and fresh ground to be on. They're doing real good. Here's the middle group. A lot of them are up here. Yeah, they all jumped out. Except for the two that have the hurt heads. Anyway, he's cool. They're healing up nice. Probably never have feathers on the top of their heads. But they're doing really, really good. Running around, loving life. Eating plenty of food. Drinking plenty of water. And the Big Bertha's clan, they're doing real good too. They're 3 weeks old today. I'm sure Bertha will be laying an egg here pretty soon and she'll be done with them. They have enough feathers to survive on their own at this point, but I'll let Bertha let me know when she's done with them. If you want to see how all of these chicks got here, check out this playlist right here. I'll see you in the next one. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe. Leave a comment. Leave a thumbs up. Hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out new videos.